somebody's at the door missing the 5-foot sign. 1 second. Sorry, the sign's this big. It says we're filming, but they don't read it. They just knock on the door and do one of these. Anyway. What's up, guys? How you doing today? And welcome to a Fast and Furious episode of JDTV Co. I'm gonna get in and out. You know why? It's Friday, and it's late.
Yeah, we definitely got a late start today.
Oh my God! I mean, yeah, they're servicing the AC system, and it's cold out to begin with, and they got the AC on, and I'm freezing.
Yeah,
right?
It's really cold in here.
It's ridiculous. Okay, let's talk deals because guys love talking about deals. Nick, what do you want to talk about first?
How about the set you just dragged across the table?
GearWrench 84-piece set, Torx and hex set. This set is an absolute masterpiece. And let me tell you about the set real quick. It has every Torx, every Allen key you're ever going to need in a lifetime. And the best part about it is the price. How much is this, Nick? I think it's $149.
$144.95.
$144.95. Now, Blue Point, Snap-on, they sell a set that's very similar. You know, I don't know the exact pieces, but I know it's like 5 times the price, and it's made in the same factory. I know. A lot of you fanboys are. You know, Nick, I was scrolling through one of the pages on Facebook, and this guy was talking about something like, you know, who rebrands something for Matco, and you know, Matco gets slammed. Matco gets dragged all the time because they make absolutely nothing besides toolboxes, and not even all of them. And you know, and these guys are coming for, you know, Matco's throat. And I hate them all. I hate Mac. I hate Matco. I hate Cornwell. I hate Snap-on. I hate them all. But like, they think Snap-on doesn't rebrand tools, and that to me is comical. I mean, like, Snap-on rebrands more tools than anybody. Yeah. I mean, listen, we know a lot of people, and we know how much these Snap-on spends with these companies, and like, it's millions. I mean, like, you know, 9 million, 10 million, 30 million. So, I mean, if you think Snap-on makes everything meanwhile they're scratching off a check to Johnny Tightwad for, you know, $9 million a year, they ain't making everything, guys. Right?
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. Sometimes the truth is a painful little pill to swallow. Anyway, back to the set. These sets, the price goes up and down all the time. Right now, it's a fairly good price, in my opinion. Right?
Yeah.
That's why we have them. $144.95, and again, up to 3/4, up to 19 millimeter in the hex, and the Torx goes up to, give me 1 second, Nick, T55. Okay, inverted Torx, tamper-proof Torx, it's all in here. The Snap-on set that's this big, I think it's an 11-piece set, I think it's like $500 these days. Leave in the comments below if you know the actual price, because I don't even care.
I know crazy.
It's crazy. Okay, speaking about crazy pricing, listen, rounded nuts is a big problem in the industry, right, Nick?
Yes.
I mean, like, it's very common. Bolts become rounded, stripped, and you can't get them out. So there's a lot of different options these days. Back in the day, you had no options. You put a vice grip on it or you cut it off. But now you have options with all these magical sets that are designed to take off rounded or rusted fasteners. And, you know, Gripedge is the, I mean, I know. Gripedge thinks they invented the split the atom, but they didn't. They came to the show and just put it in a fancy box and allegedly swindled some guy out of his patent. Allegedly, right?
Allegedly.
They will
never deal. They'll never deal with us, so we.
It doesn't matter. They hate me. I hate them. We hate each other. So you know what? It's a perfect relationship. It's like being married.
We still have a shelf full of their tools.
Yeah. We still sell your stuff. If I never sold another set, I can care less. Anyway, how much is this set, Nick?
$499.95.
$499.95. Guys, that's $500 for this set. And it's how many pieces, Nick?
32.
32 pieces. It's a full set. I'll give them that. But it's $500. This set is the GearWrench bolt biter set. Guys, this set's been out for years. I own this set. This set is amazing. I've sold tons of these. Zero issues. They work every time. We snowmobile, and on our carbides, The nuts always get rusted because water lays in there and they get rounded, rusted, and they're very hard to get off. And it's funny because I mean, if you pull your sled out of the shed, you got to do your carbides, and your nuts get rounded and you can't get them off. Now your 15-20 minute job has now become a 3-hour job with a grinder, right, Nick?
Yes.
We've done this before.
Yes.
But when these came out, they gave us a little demo set, so I stole them, and we pulled them out, and they worked fabulously. It made that job, that 2-hour job, down to
5 minutes.
5 minutes. It was insane how good they worked. And then we started pushing and we sell them like crazy. So this set here isn't as big as the $500 set that has 32 pieces, right?
Yes.
This is 28 pieces.
A few less.
4 less.
Yeah.
How much, Nick?
$139.95.
$139.95. A weekend away with the family or dinner for 4? You decide. I know. You can pay $20 a week.
But that one comes in a nice case.
I know. You can make payments on it. And I know it comes in a nice case with a nice sticker. But you know what? The sticker is not going to put groceries on your table. Right? Guys, this is 2 weeks worth of groceries. Maybe 3, 4. I don't know, wherever you live. But I mean, like, nothing. Insane. And guys, if this set is too much money for you here at JD Tico, we have more options for you. We buy a lot of closeouts here, right?
Yes.
This is the OEM set. This is a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10-piece set. Again, it's smaller than this, but it's $25 with free shipping.
That's a good deal.
This is
a great deal.
This is lunch. This is 2 days worth of lunch, right?
Great deal.
This is a great deal, and we bought a lot of them. We have tons of these. So if you can't, I can't, guys. I make a decent living, but I can't afford this set. I can't. I can afford this set. You know. I mean, maybe you don't have the money for this. Buy this. They all work the same. There's no rocket scientists here. They're reversed, threaded, grooved. They all are the same design.
Could you put a wrench on those if you had to?
You could put a wrench on here.
Oh, nice.
Of course you could. Wrench or a socket. They're all the same. They're all the same. 500, 140, 25. You decide.
Very nice.
Well, I mean, if you got rounded nuts and you can't get them off, but you can't afford this, what do? Not work? No, you buy this set. If you can't afford this set, what do? Not work? No, you buy this set. It's all about options and choices. Why is this here?
That is the new Top Scan Master.
This is the new one, the Master.
The new Top Scan Master.
Well, the regular Top Scan, we probably sold hundreds of them, right?
Yes.
It was $75, I think?
Yes.
Hundreds. We sold one of our most popular items. We sell them all the time. So how much is this one?
That one is $169.95.
That's too much money. Why is it more money, though?
Because it's the Master.
Okay. This does, what does it do, Nick?
I think it's going to give you more coverage. It does have bidirectional control. Over 30 service functions built in. Oil reset, EPB reset, DPF regeneration, TPMS reset, BMS reset, cylinder balance test, and more.
This does everything. I know your $5,000, I'm sorry, your $10,000 Snap-on scanner will launch the space shuttle, but apparently this will too. $169.95. All right, guys. One last thing, guys. How much is this, Nick? This is the little 1/4-inch one that works on all the 1/4-inch sockets and a full bit set. How much is this, Nick?
I don't have a price on a combo deal, but I think we should definitely do one.
We should. How much is this?
That's $129.95.
$129.95 full bit set. And I think this is like $30, something like that.
Yeah, $30. Yeah. So we're gonna have a
app,
deal.
website, come to the store. I have to go drop off my cologne.
Yeah, you gotta run.
I gotta run. Ask where it's going, Nick.
Where's it going?
I got a little gift for my salesman. I bought a car and I got a really nice deal. So he collects cologne, he said. So I bought him a really nice bottle of cologne. Right?
Very nice.
And shout out to my daughter-in-law. sorry guys. I was trying to get a real fast one done, and we're gonna be under 10 minutes. But this guy got me a little sidetracked, so I'm gonna reel it back in and wish you all a nice weekend because today's Pasta Friday. I'm gonna have a little pasta. Like we always say, come for the price, stay for the show. No dogs are under here. They're all scattered around here because they're knocking at the door. USA. Peace.